Susie Glams lovers. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a very simple, easy and detailed nude subtle lip combo. You know how we do it here. I want to specially thank my old subscribers. You guys are amazing. I've been seeing your views, your like, your comments, your shares. Thank you so much. God bless you. You guys are the real MVPs. And to my new subscribers, you are highly welcome to this channel. Don't go anywhere because you're gonna learn a lot from this channel. I promise you. You know how we do it here. My old subscribers, all my tutorials are very detailed. If you have any questions, kindly comment below and I will answer it as soon as possible. So guys, don't forget to share, like this video and comment. Okay, bye. Using these three lip combo colors, brown, nude and nude girl. Okay, so I'm starting with that chocolate brown to line her lips. I've already done that off camera, and some people like, I don't know, but for me I prefer to use a lip brush, from a brush set to line my lips. It gives me that precise and directs me on, you know, where to apply, so I won't go overboard the lips. If you are maybe you want to do your own makeup, you can definitely use your lip applicator from your lipstick, since it's your own, it's personal, it's yours. Okay, but for me, since I'm a makeup artist, I don't use the lip applicator from the lips. For me, for hygienic purposes, I don't like it. I don't indulge in it at all. So that aside, I'm just kind of blending in the lipstick I use. That lipstick is a matte lipstick from Adventure Cosmetics, and this lipstick also is from Adventure Cosmetics. The nude shade. So I was just using the tip of my brush to just slightly blend in the middle. If you noticed, my client has a wide lip, so I normally like to use a lighter one in the middle in order not to go overboard her lips. I don't know if you understand. So this is me blending that two colors in. I don't want to leave any harsh line. You know how I say in my other videos. Please guys, I'm going to drop all the videos on how I achieve this look, from the brows to the eyeshadow to the skin and everything, in the description box, so that you can go there and watch it and understand how I got here. Okay, see how that lip is giving. So I needed a little pop up because this is very fine, but so I went in with this lip palette. I think it's from Who's That Girl. I've had this lip palette, so I needed to pop it up a little bit, so I added the pink shade in the lip palette and I was blending. Guys, there's something I want to say. If you know you are going to use a matte lip stain, kindly use a lip balm, because if you notice from the video, her lips was very dry and I didn't realize it on time. I would have applied the lip balm before I started her makeup. That was a mistake on my part. Please, when you are doing yours and you have a dry lips, kindly use a lip balm before you even start your makeup, so that it can moisten up your lips and make everything blendable. That is why I had to use that lip palette from Who's That Girl. Who's That Girl palette is not a matte lip stain. Okay, it's not a matte lip stain, it's just a normal creamy lipstick that we all know. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, bye.